All right, so here I have a dishwasher, as you can see, and I have the sink. So I'm going to show you in this video my advice, how I did all the connections here under the countertop and the connections that I did on the countertop. So that way you can fill it with water very quickly and you can discharge it without having a mess, because it's kind of messy, but I show you the trick that I did so that way you don't have these issues. Right, so here I'm going to show you, this is the dishwasher that I have, a Rec Pro for now, it works, no problem. So the only issue that you're going to have when you have this like this is putting water inside. That takes long time, and I have the solution for this. So I installed this sprayer that you see here, just I put it here, and in less than a minute, it will fill it with water, and it works very well. So as you can see, works very well. And usually the discharge of the water, because you have all the dirt of the food and everything, goes here. So it looks very nasty. So as you can see, here looks great, here looks nasty. Good, nasty. So the solution that I did, because I had it here, I said, okay, I'm not going to have this here anymore. I don't want a nastiness, or I don't want to clean it every day. So I bought one of these step bit that you see here. Just put it on the drill, and then I made the hole. So I made the hole, as you can see, looks perfect. So I have to clean this up a little bit later, but at least I have the discharge completely under the sink. So it charges fast. Now the next step is installing one of these. So basically, under the sink, install one of these, connect the discharge, the hose here, and that's it. So if you have like a big hole here or inlet, you can buy one of these washer branch connector. So that basically you got it the way you need it, and that's it. You clamp it with this. Very, very easy to use. In my case, I didn't have to use it, but I bought a few of these just in case. So I was able to find this adapter that you see here, and this is 1/2 inch, and it fit perfectly. The only thing I had to buy is the clamp for this, for the hose clamps, and that's it. So as you can see here, I have the drainage. Here I have a little uphill, but I show it in another video because I'm going to change the cast iron pipe, and I'm going to make it a little bit lower, and that will fix the uphill that I have here. I made another video about that, but other than that, as if you see, I just fixed this because it was messy. You sometimes you go to people's houses and you install everything and they kick it or push it with a pan or something like that, and they have a leak. And then if you do this, you have more space, you don't have this issue. The only thing is you have to make sure it's a little bit shorter, but in my case, like I said in another video, I'll make a video showing how to remove the cast iron and replace it with the PVC, most likely. And then that's it. So as you can see, this is for the discharge, and I have a T over there. So as you can see, I installed one of these. SharkBite, easy. If you go to my playlist, I have videos that I explain how to use SharkBite if you never used them before. And I hook it in that section. So as you can see here. And then I have the this Y thingy, and this is for the sprayer. So basically you hook it up there and it goes there, and that's it. So the only thing what I would recommend you, instead of using the cold water, you can use the hot water. It will be much better. It will clean better. In my case, I'm in a very hot place in Phoenix, Arizona. It's hot all the time, so it doesn't matter that much. Maybe I'll switch it to the hot water. I'll see if I have any improvement cleaning, but that will be the idea for a dishwasher. Always use the hot water. That's it. So if you do that, you will be happy. Very easy, fast to fill it, and in less than a minute it can be full. And otherwise, before I had to use a pitch, or I was thinking, and using this because I had another faucet here, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I can use this. If I stretch it like a lot and I make it a little bit closer, it will reach, but I don't want to do this all the time. I prefer this. This is long, very long. So this I can reach almost anywhere. That's it. So as soon as I finish using it, you put it back here. That's it. So hopefully you like my solution. If you have any questions, just let me know in the section below. If you want to hire me, I can do this. Maybe in another video, I'll make a video showing how to cut this area and install a regular dishwasher, but that will be for the next time. Now I have that, I'll use this, but at least you know how to do it. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, let me know. If you want to hire me or if you want to buy anything like that, I'll leave you in the video. I can leave you in the video description the materials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.